Hey, it's Kayla. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be making these pumpkin cheesecake bars.
Hey guys, today we're trying out this pumpkin cheesecake bar recipe from I Am Baker. As always, recipe will be linked in the description below. First, we're going to preheat our oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit. Starting with the crust in the medium bowl, we're going to combine 2 cups of finely crushed honey graham crackers, 1 tablespoon of granulated sugar, and half a teaspoon of pumpkin pie spice. Then you're going to mix that together. Then in a smaller bowl, we're going to melt half a cup of unsalted butter, just 1 stick. And now we're going to combine the graham cracker crumb mixture and the melted butter. Stir until everything is fully coated and there are no dry crumbs left. Once it's all mixed, we're going to press the crumbs firmly into the bottom of a greased 9x13 glass dish. And make sure it's nice and even. Then pop it in the fridge to chill while we work on the filling. In a large bowl, add 4 packages of softened cream cheese and 1.5 cups of granulated sugar. Then we're going to use a hand mixer on low to mix until the texture is smooth and creamy. Next, you're going to add 4 large eggs, one at a time, mixing on low after each addition. And don't forget to scrape down the sides of the bowl so everything blends together evenly. Now in the recipe, they do 1 layer regular cheesecake and then they do pumpkin. You can totally do that. You would add half of this mixture to your layer of graham cracker crust. I ended up reading it wrong. I decided to mix it all together, so we're going to have 1 whole thick pumpkin cheesecake bar for mine. Then you're going to bake it in the oven at 325 degrees Fahrenheit for 50 to 60 minutes until the edges are slightly set and the center still has a little jiggle to it. You don't want to overbake it, it'll firm up as it cools. When it's done, let the cheesecake cool to room temperature, then transfer it to the fridge, and we're going to chill it for at least 4 hours or chill it overnight. I chilled mine overnight. Once it's set, we're going to pop it out of the fridge, and you can make your own homemade whipped topping, or you can do what I did. I got an 8-ounce container of Cool Whip, and then I added that right on top. And then I took a little bit of pumpkin pie spice and sprinkled that on top, and it looked so good. It was really good, and I got to share it with my whole family.
But that's pretty much it for this video. Sorry the lighting got a little weird at the end there, but I really like how these turned out. I know I technically did them wrong, but I think this is better. I prefer all of the pumpkin versus like the regular cream cheese and whatever. Obviously to each their own. I think they're good. They are a little bit harder to pack because of the Cool Whip on top. So like maybe if you did do the plain and the regular pumpkin, I don't know if I would put the Cool Whip on top like the other ones I did can wrap usually. Yeah, let me know what you think. Let me know if you try any of the recipes that I'm doing this month of Halloween or any recipes at all. As always, like I said, the recipe is in the description below. Don't forget to like and subscribe down below for more Halloween content from me this spooky season. I'm going to be doing more baking and makeup and video game videos. Let me know what you think, and thanks for watching.